Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. So first, remember that your phone heating is completely normal while charging, especially while you're using the fast charge. But we can minimize that by closing first the background apps. Next, remember to use the original charger and the cable, and avoid using your phone while charging. Just power off, leave it on a nightstand, and do your other things while it's charging. You can even remove the phone's case, because it might heat because of it, but I don't know how to do it. Okay, it is done. And charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.